Spark API. It consists of RDD, data frames, and datasets. So this is the example you see. So Spark offer APIs and data abstraction that significantly enhance the developer experience. The originally Spark paper described low-level abstraction called RDD, Resilient Distributed Datasets. Later, others such as data frames and datasets were added. Spark enabled distributed data processing through the functional transformation of a collection of data. The Spark API significantly reduce the size of program compared to the size of the same programs when they're written in other frameworks such as MapReduce. The Spark API are resilient distributed datasets, data frames, and datasets. So data frame and datasets for further high level structure APIs, where RDD is referred as low level understanding APIs. Generally, we recommend from a Spark community to almost always work exclusive with high level APIs, though there is some nice solution where it would make sense to work with RDD. We'll explore all these things in my upcoming lesson. So now you know about like all those three RDD and data sets and data frames. And so this is like high level API will connect using the R, SQL, Python, and Scala to the Spark SQL, Spark streaming, and mlibs, GraphX, and Spark SAR. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel so I can create the valuable videos for you guys. Thank you for watching.